Hello guys, so today we are going to create the second part of our ArcHeros tutorial, and just hold on for a minute and then we will start. Okay, so let's start with the tutorial, and today we are going to create the attack feature, and for attack feature we are also going to use the object pooling system for it. And okay, so let's get started. So I'm just going to show you what we have completed in the last part or the yesterday videos or live stream. So here is we have put the joystick and add the animation to our character, and as soon as we just stop moving, so it will start attacking the enemy. So today we are going to add the arrow and arrow and attack feature. Okay, so first of all I'm going to create a new cylinder for arrow, and just do the scale 0.5, 0.5 and 0.5. Okay, but it is still way thick. Okay, I think now it will work. So and just make the capsule collider to trigger, name it arrow. Okay, and also create a new tag, player arrow, and assign it to our arrow. Okay, and now I'm going to add a script. Okay, so just waiting for script to be compiled. Okay, so now just expand the player player object, and then create a new empty object inside the player object and name it arrow point. It should be here. Okay, so just select the project view and create a new folder, name it prefabs. Okay, now we can delete it. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is open your player script. If there okay, so create a new public cam object, arrow point. So it will help me to instantiate the arrow object at a particular point. So create here a function or public void a animation event fire arrow. Okay, and also I will create a one more game object for arrow prefab. Okay, now inside the animation event we just do a one thing, game object arrow instantiate, and here we call the arrow prefab. Position should be arrow point dot transform dot position, and rotation should be arrow point dot transform dot rotation. Okay, so this is a very first thing we just going to check, or I'm going to add an animation event to the our clip. So just select the character and go to the draw arrow, but you can see we cannot add a animation event because it is read only. So go to animator controller, select the attack, and by selecting the project view, when you click on this here, okay, so when you click on the attack and then here, so you will automatically select the animation clip, then select the animation clip and hit Ctrl D. So and then now assign the newly copied clip, duplicated clip here. And now when you select the animation clip here, so now you can easily add the animation event. So go to scene view, okay, so at this point add the animation event. So you can see here is no animation event because the animator is on this object and the script is on the other object. So here I'm going to add a new script, name it attack, player attack. Okay, okay, so here is our script. So just no need to do more. Create a public void animation event arrow attack, then here we create a player control, take the reference here pc is equal to find object of type player controller. Okay, then the only thing we just here pc dot okay. Now when you go to the animation clip after compiling the script, select this point and you will see a new function here. So just assign the function here, and then okay, let's check whether it is working or not. Okay, so there's a null pointer because we have just forgot to assign the arrow point and arrow prefab. So this is arrow point, and here is our arrow prefab. Okay, so you will see the arrow is start coming. Okay, now we are just going to do one thing. Open this script here, create a new empty object, name it arrow prefab, put this inside this, and then rotate it to 90° on. Okay, also move it to 0 0 0 like this. Then break the connection of prefab completely, delete this one, assign the tag here player arrow, and just create this one prefab, go to player, assign this one, also select the arrow and delete the arrow script from here and add it to here. Paste the component, then apply all. Okay, so now we have created our arrow, and then also let okay, keep it here for now. Added a script for arrow, and then okay, so rigid body RV, and in update function we will just add the force. So RV dot add force vector 3 dot forward into time dot delta time into speed. Okay, so create a new float here, speed, give the value of 10, terminate this line here. Okay, so okay, now we will check. We just need to add the rigid body to our arrow prefab. Turn off the use gravity, and then override apply all to the prefab. Delete this one. Now start the game. Okay, so you can see the speed is very slow, otherwise the function is working fine. So select the arrow prefab and then make this variable public, and increase the speed. 200, and then check whether it is working or not. Okay, okay, so you can see our function is working fine. Now we are going to add the object pooling here, and when we add the enemy, so we will also add the auto targeting feature into our game. Okay, so first of all we need to go to arrow script and create a on trigger enter, and okay, so just do the thing trans game object dot set active false. You can also destroy the game object, but as I have said that we are going to use the object pooling, so we no need to uh, yeah, no need to destroy the object. Then go to player controller, and here we create a new public list of game object, name it arrows, like this. And then go to the this function, and here we add the this in newly instantiated arrow to our list, arrows dot add, and add the arrow object here, and also okay. So we have added the arrow here. Okay, so now we are just going to do the thing for object pooling. So now we have a list of the arrows. So first we have to do a for loop. So here we check if dot active in hierarchy is true, create a new this game object here, then arrow object equal to arrows I. Okay, so this is the for loop. So here we are also going to check if arrow object equal null, then we are going to hit this code. Means we will just instantiate a new object. Okay, so now we are going to add a condition. If arrow object dot name equal this, okay, so then we are going to hit this code. Otherwise we will just do the true. Okay, now we have to do one more thing. When it will turn off set active to false, then we also have to set the position of arrow object. So arrow object dot transform dot position is equal to arrow point dot transform dot position. Okay, and arrow object dot transform dot rotation equal to arrow point dot transform dot rotation. Okay, then we will set active the arrow object and it will automatically working. So now, okay, so we just need to add one more condition here. If arrow count okay, sorry, arrows dot count not equal to 0, then the loop will run. Otherwise there will be a null pointer. Okay, like this. Okay, let's try whether it is working or not. So here is a null pointer. Let's check whether arrow object dot transform dot position equal to 0. Okay, so you can see there is not working because as soon as you instantiate it, it will automatically set active false because it is detect a trigger. So we are just going to check if other dot tag not equal to player. Okay, so this is the one condition, and now I'm going to add the wall so that it will be start. Okay, so first thing we are adding a here player tag, and then add some walls here like this cube. Okay, like this is wall, duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D, rotate it for 90 degree. Okay, like this, and then okay, so let's try. Yeah, so you can see currently our okay, so currently our one arrow is sufficient according to the firing speed. Yeah, so when we increase the speed of firing, then it will automatically adding the new arrows, because currently we can go ahead with the one arrow. It is sufficient for our current attack speed. Okay, but you can see it is not working fine because the rotation is not working, right? So we need to work on the rotation. So just go to arrow script. Okay, so arrow object dot transform dot rotation is equal to transform dot rotation. Okay, so we will solve this issue in the next tutorial with adding the enemy. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the tutorial. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for future tutorials. Thank you.